Revolut vs Bunq, which is best for you. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to make a comparison review between Revolut and Bunq. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So to create an account on Bunq or Revolut, you can use the link on the description below, in which by using the link, you may also get some discounts or rewards on sign up. And now to start a comparison, let's start first by knowing the overview of both platforms. So basically, Revolut and Bunq are both known mobile banking applications that provide virtual bank accounts and enables users to manage their finances by making payments, transferring money, and saving funds. While there are similarities between the two apps in terms of their features, services, and plans, there are also differences. Since Revolut is known digital bank and financial technology company that provides various banking services. With a customer base of over 35 million people, Revolut's user-friendly app enables users to send money to more than 160 countries, hold up to 36 different currencies, making transactions in over 150 currencies, and effectively manage their finances, in which this platform provides a virtual bank account, currency exchange, savings and investment, insurance and benefits, and also financial management tools, since Revolut offers tools for budgeting and tracking expenses, in which it provides analytics and insights on your transactions. And aside from that, you can also set up recurring payments, direct debits, standing orders, and request money from others using a link. Now moving on to the overview of this platform, Bunq. It is a fintech company and mobile banking service provider from the Netherlands, in which their app facilitates banking activities such as opening accounts, transferring funds, saving and investing, as well as promoting environmental and sustainability, in which this platform provides savings account, bank account, currency exchange. However, it does not provide any investment opportunities for users. However, it does allow users to decide how their funds are invested by the bank in projects, since users can choose from 3 categories: green or all around, and additionally, they can see the impact of their choices within the app. And now that you know the overview of both platforms, let's now move on to comparing the feature that both platform Bunq and Revolut offer. So some of the feature that Revolut offer in terms of availability, savings, investment, and extras is that in terms of availability, Revolut is available in 24 countries, including USA. While in terms of savings, Revolut does not offer a savings account, but a flexible investment account that it markets as a savings account. And also in terms of investment, it allows users to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and also ETFs. While for the extras feature, Revolut offers travel and medical insurance, perks and rewards, money management tools, and disposable virtual cards. On the other hand, some of the features that offer by Bunq, in terms of availability, Bunq is available in 31 countries, but not in the US yet. However, in terms of savings feature, it provides a savings account with interest earnings up to 2.46% paid out weekly. And aside from that, in terms of investments feature, it does not offer any investment options, but lets users choose how their money is invested by Bunq in sustainable projects. While for its extra features, it offers multiple EU IBANs, 24/7 customer support, and a feature to request payments using customizable link. And now that we know the feature comparison between Revolut and Bunq, let's now proceed to the pricing plan that both platforms offer. So if you scroll down below here, it will show you that Revolut offer 4 plans, including Standard, Plus, Premium, and Metal plan. And below here, it will show you the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included on each plan, in which on the Standard plan, this plan that includes features like currency exchange, stock trading, and money management tools. It also has an ATM limit of £200. While for the Plus plan, for £2.99 per month, you get benefits such as purchase protection, ticket cancellation and priority support. While for the premium plan, priced at £799 per month, this plan includes travel and medical insurance, airport lounge, access and disposable cards. While metal plan, this plan costs £13.99 per month, which offers cashback rewards, concierge service, and exclusive events. While for the extra plan, which is this ultra, amounting to £45 per month, it offers feature exclusive lifestyle benefits, world-class travel, and a precision-engineered platinum-plated card. On the other hand, Bunq also offers 4 plans including Easy Savings, Easy Bunq, Easy Money, and Easy Green plan, in which Easy Savings, this service provides a free savings account with an interest rate of 2.46%, while Easy Bunq, for a fee of £2.99, you can avail a bank with 25 sub-accounts and a physical card included in the package deal. While for Easy Money, amounting $8.99 per month, you'll get an equipped bank account with 25 sub-accounts and 3 physical cards. And now for Easy Green, amounting to £17.99 per month, you'll enjoy a bank account with 25 sub-accounts and 4 physical cards. And now that we know the pricing plan that both platforms offer, we can now proceed to the pros and cons of using this platform, Revolut, and also Bunq. So the pros or advantages of using Revolut is that it offers a range of products, including stock and cryptocurrency, trading, travel and medical insurance, and cashback. And aside from that, it's also available in over 35 countries supporting 150 currencies. And also Revolut has a user interface with money engagement tools. However, the cons of using Revolut or the disadvantages of it is that one thing to note that Revolut does not possess a banking license, which means it does not fall under the deposit guarantee scheme. And additionally, depending on the plan you choose, there may be fees for ATM withdrawals beyond the limit. Furthermore, Revolut does not provide savings account or sustainable investment options. And now moving on to the pros and cons of using Bunq. For its pros or advantages, unlike Revolut, Bunq holds a banking license, ensuring regulation and protection under the deposit guarantee scheme. And aside from that, Bunq also offers a savings account with interest earnings reaching up to 2.46%. While the cons of using Bunq is that it does not provide any investment opportunities, insurance coverage, or additional benefits for its users. And moreover, Bunq has a presence worldwide as it's solely accessible within European Economic Area. But the question is, who should actually use this platform, Revolut and Bunq? Well, if you frequently travel or engage in transactions involving currency, Revolut is the choice for you, since it supports 35 countries and 150 currencies, offers travel and medical insurance grants, access to airport lounges, and even provides cashback. Additionally, if you're interested in trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, or ETFs, Revolut allows you to conveniently do so within the app. Well, what about Bunq? Well, for those residing in the European Economic Area seeking a banking experience, Bunq is an excellent option. With a banking license, Bunq offers a savings account that can generate interest up to 2.46%, and moreover, it empowers users by allowing them to decide how their money is invested in projects undertaken by the bank. And now to conclude, Revolut caters to individuals who frequently travel or engage in currency trading, in which it supports a range of countries and currency, along with perks like travel insurance, access to airport lounges, and cashback offers. However, it is also important to note that Revolut is not licensed bank and does not charge fees for ATM withdrawals and currency exchanges above limits. On the other hand, Bunq is more ideal for European residents passionate about sustainability, since it also holds a banking license, which provides services such as savings accounts, opportunities to earn interest on deposits and investments, and of course in environmental-friendly initiatives. So basically, between the two, you can choose Revolut and Bunq depending on your preferences and requirements. So that is just a comparison review between Revolut and Bunq. Thank you.